Today's recipe is farm-style wild blueberry pie. You can find the list of ingredients and directions in the comment section below. Here are the ingredients you will need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1½ tablespoons of milk, 2 cups of fresh wild blueberries, 2 cups of fresh or frozen wild blueberries, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. First, you will need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. You will now need to prepare the crust. In a large bowl, combine the flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now add the oil and milk and mix together. Roll out and line a 9-inch pie pan. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes or until it is golden brown. Now place 2 cups of fresh wild blueberries into the baked pie shell. In a saucepan, combine the 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries, water, cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 3/4 cup of sugar. Bring to a boil and continue to boil for 5 minutes or until the mixture is thick and clear. Now add butter and lemon juice. Pour filling over berries in the pie shell and allow to cool, and you are done. If you like this recipe, why not visit our website for over 150 free blueberry recipes.